You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to find old WhatsApp messages quickly without endless scrolling. Open the WhatsApp chat where you want to search. Tap the contact or group name at the top to open chat info. Look for the search icon, usually a magnifying glass, in the top right corner. Tap it. A search bar will appear at the top of the chat. Type a specific keyword, name, date, or phrase you remember from the old message. As you type, WhatsApp will filter and highlight all messages containing that text within that specific chat. Tap on any result to jump directly to that point in the conversation history. For a broader search across all chats, go back to the main WhatsApp chat screen. Tap the search bar at the top. Type your keyword here. WhatsApp will show results from all your conversations, organized by chat. Tap a result to open that chat at the exact message. You can also search for specific media. In a chat, tap the contact name, then media, links, and docs. Browse photos, videos, or documents, which are often easier to spot than text. Using precise keywords, dates, or sender names makes this search function extremely fast and efficient. For more simple WhatsApp tutorials, subscribe to the channel.